campsite for this weekend. It's called the Devil's Den in Florida. We got Shannon and Rudder.
For a walk?
We're going for a walk.
So we are at Devil's Den RV park. Pretty secluded little park. Definitely woodsy, spacious. So we're excited to see the actual spring. We're gonna go check it out a little bit later, and looks pretty cool.
Yeah, look at that thing. That thing is cool.
Nice little walking area.
Walkway shop?
Oh, Rudder, you gotta pee everywhere.
He's got a stick stuck to his collar.
He's blending in with the locals. Oh, he's got it stuck to, oh, that's thorny. Let's get that. What a beautiful walking path. All right, let's go check it out. I don't know what this is.
It's like a swamp.
It's kind of crazy. What is this? Maybe is it like flooded? It's a little green. I'm not too sure. Oh, look at the picnic table out in the middle.
What?
That's pretty.
Oh, yeah. Seems like a pond over there.
Yeah, it is. Interesting. A little different. So, I think this used to be a state park, and it's not anymore. But the water's definitely green. Needs a little TLC. Apparently people were swimming in it today. But we're gonna go try to check out the spring. It's only $35 a night here, and it's a pretty cool little spot. I like it.
I like it. It's
so
quiet.
Let's go check out the spring. There is the Devil's Den spring. So we're gonna check. How pretty. I guess it's all locked up for the night.
Holy moly.
Is it there?
Wow, look how deep that is, and you can see the blue water right here.
Oh,
Look, you see the blue aqua water
not really.
up down there.
Well, there is
my God, look
the
at the
platform. That's
Get my
Devil's Den
fishing pool out.
with a turtle. He is a happy little turtle. And all the fish all over the platform too. That's funny. So it's all underground. Apparently there was probably this big huge tree here at one time.
He
And
just looked like he pooped out a fish.
you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's go. The Devil's Den is unlocked.
Can I leave my flip-flops and t-shirts here?
Sure, I'll hold them. Mucho frío. Oh, see, we said we're stuck here. Tell us what the temperature is. We are in Williston, Florida today at a garden center. So it's really cool, and I wanted to show you around.
Oh my god, this is beautiful. It's like an oasis.
It is, and we're getting ready to walk down there, so I'll take some more footage down there, but it's really pretty from the top. And even more toys. We kind of got them tucked away in every little pond. Pretty cool little garden area here. If you like water features and stuff. Just looking back at it. Found this little spot, didn't we, bud? Yeah! Check it out.
There's a big old carp hanging out over there.
Hey, bud! Are you skipping? Woo!
I got to fly!
All right. Breakfast time. Make some breakfast and then pack up for the day. So, we had a good time, didn't we, Red? We had a good time. This is definitely a nice little park. Happy camping!